Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an icon in text in Notion. So here's how to add an icon to text in Notion. First thing you need to do is to launch Notion in your web browser and sign in. Then open the page where you want to add the icon. So I'm going to open my to-do. Okay, so click on an empty space, which we have here, and press the / key to open the block menu. Then go ahead and select text, which is the first option here to add a new text block, or click where you want to insert the icon in an existing text block. So that's my text block. Then click on the plus icon. Okay, that's for you to insert an icon. Go ahead and click on the plus icon, or you can choose to type the / to open the block menu again. So let's say we're using the plus icon and the block menu is up. Go ahead and search for icon. So I'm just going to use the block. Maybe that works better for me. And I'm going to type in icon. Okay, it says there's no result for that. I'm going to use a plus icon and see how I can search for icon. So we're searching for icon. All right, so after searching, if you cannot find the icon option, which I have here, there's another way to go about it. All right, there's another way to go about it. And that is, once you have, of course, created your text, all right, your text block here, just hover over to the top of the screen and click on add icon. So here you have a new icon block, a list of icons. So you have emojis and you have icons, you have custom. So just head over to icon and click on the icon tab. Now you have a couple of icons in this icon block. So click on it and choose on the icon from the available options. So let's say I want to use this apple icon. So I have to choose the color for that. And you see that that has already appeared. Now, if you want, so you can now drag this icon and drop it to where you want it to be. That's if you can. So, all right, my icon is not dragging. My icon is not dragging. Okay, so it's just been there. It's static. So this is what my plan actually accommodates. But if you're using another plan, then most definitely you should be able to find icon from the block options. You should be able to find it from the block menu. All right, but then this is just what my plan can accommodate. All right, so if you want the icon to be part of the text, you can copy the icon and paste it directly to the text block, which is not here. If I click on this icon and I am copying this icon, you will see that even in the text block, the icon will not be pasted. It's just going to be something else. So my plan does not allow for icon in text blocks. So that's it. So if you added the icon as a separate block, then you can just adjust its position relative to the text by dragging it or using the move option, but that is not here in my plan. So my icon is just static. It's just in my header, which makes it really depressing, I must say. Okay, so that's pretty much the process. That's how to use icons. So the icon block is a separate block that can be positioned along text, but it's not directly editable within the text block itself. So pasting the icon directly into the text block allows you to be part of the text, but customization options are pretty much limited. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.